Hi, in this video, we're going to work on the raw data and to create a small scale of business P&L. And we're going to use SUMIFS function and also drop-down list to choose between business segments and different scenarios. Let's start. Here is our raw data. Let's imagine we are operating an electronics business and we have different business segments, and we have previous periods 2020, 2021, and we have 2022 forecast. And also we have different line items like sales, promotion costs, administrative costs. We're going to create a small P&L to see different KPIs. And here are the amounts. I'm going to create a new sheet and start create our P&L. Let's make gross profit as one of our KPIs to evaluate success. Profit would be our second KPI. And also we will have our periods, let's say 2020, 2021, and 2022 F as our forecast period. We're going to bring our data here per period, per line item, and let's also insert new columns and bring here percentage of sales. Better logically. Make it better visualized. Okay, gross profit sales minus cost of sales, and operating profit will be gross profit minus promotion costs and administrative costs. And percentage of sales will be gross profit, that's fixed row by sales. And also we will get the percentage of operating profit. Copy the same formula to other periods, and we can start to bring our numbers. We have seen that we had different business segments like home appliances, smartphones, computers, and cameras. What we want to do is we want to bring these business segments here and get the sum of these business segments by choosing them. So in order to do this, we need to create some drop-down lists. Okay. I'm going to create a new sheet and name it as input from business segments. going to choose these four segments. Also, I'm going to take the main business. Okay. And I'm going to click to data validation. Here, data validation. And from settings, I'm going to choose list. And as a source, I'm going to input and choose area from home appliances to electronics. Here we have list of. Let's start to sum formula. We're going to use SUMIFS function, and to start this, we need to define the sum range. I'm going to data. Here is our sum range with the header of amount and criteria range. First, I'm going to choose business segment, fix it. So I'm going to fix sum range, and define the criteria, which is E2. I'm going to fix it. Therefore, criteria range 2 will be line item part, which is data. Okay. Second criteria will be 3. I'm going to fix it too. And third criteria range, it's going to be period. So I'm going to fix it. And when I come to this sheet 3, our small PNL, I'm going to choose C2, but I'm going to only fix the row value, which is 2. Okay, as you can see, our first formula will be sales of 2020 in home appliances will be 80. As we fixed the necessary cells, I'm going to copy these. Like I should have only fixed column part. Okay, cost of sales 4906. Okay, rest of to do the same for other periods. Find this part as percentage. And we already created a small scale of P&L. What we did is let's make this part also better visualized. If we want to see home appliances differently, we will choose it. If we want to see smartphones, business segment, we will choose it. And see the different periods in smartphones. We are going to see prior years, current year end, and 2022 forecast. As you can see, gross profit is increasing smartphones, and also the operating profit. But if we want to see the whole business, what we're going to do is, as you can see, we cannot get the data from electronics because we don't have business segments as electronics. We only have it in column A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy this part, right? If B2 equals electronics, then I'm going to paste previous formula and choose here data B as data A. Okay, it's correcting our formula and adding one more. Here's our sales for all electronics for 2020 as 400. We're going to copy all the formula. As you can see, we have dynamic table that shows us P&L of a business, and we can also go into deeper analysis for its subsegments and create better visualized business P&Ls. And you can use this from a CSV data to better visualize your numbers. You can use it in reporting, budgeting, in some areas when you do your financial analysis. In the next video, we're also going to see VLOOKUP formula and also add some more drop-down boxes to compare a business between different periods. Thank you for watching.